Hey guys, it's Alexis. Welcome back to the Magical Adventures, and I'm going back to Disney. And I'm so excited. It is currently 3 days before I leave for my trip, and I am going to be there from the 3rd to the 7th. And we're going to Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios. And I'm going with my boyfriend Jack, and I thought I would vlog everything that we're doing. I'm going to do my best to show you as much as I can. And it's my first time vlogging, and I'm going to see some friends from my college program who I haven't seen in a while too. So I'm going to take you along with me. Next time you will see me, I will be at the airport. So bye. You guys, I'm at the airport. I'm about to get on my flight. I'm a little embarrassed to vlog, so I'm holding it pretty close to my face, but everything looked good, like security and all that. I'm just waiting for my flight. Let me show you my plane. I don't know how much I'm showing. I'm trying to show the best I can. But yeah, it's going good. Maybe I'll take a little footage of me like taking off, like be aesthetic. But bye. We are at a gas station right now. We are about 3 hours away from Orlando. We are in Jacksonville right now, and we are excited. I just want to give you a little update on our drive. Say hi to Grogu. Hello. And I will show you when we get there. I'm excited to see the new sign, by the way. I heard there's a new sign coming into Disney. So I'm excited. I will see you guys soon. Bye. There it is! Welcome to Walt Disney World. I have to take a picture of it going into. We're back! Okay, do this. We made it. We're back. We did it. I won't. This is so cute. This is like the main Skyliner access, right?
Yes.
Hello, I made it to Caribbean Beach. Look it. It's so pretty outside. Okay, it's raining, but it's pretty outside because look at all the decorations and everything. So exciting. I just completely left my boyfriend, so I'm gonna have to find him in a minute. But look at that view. There's the Riviera. They still have the Christmas stuff up too inside. So gorgeous. Let's see if we can go over here. Hello. Say hello. You're not. There's poles in between us. Say hello.
Hello.
We're at the pool. Jack had to get out. He was too cold. So did I had to get out.
Not technically, yes.
But it's okay. We're having fun. Right?
Yes.
How do you rate the day so far?
10 out of 10.
25 out of 10. So I guess I enjoy it a little more than Jack, but... Hello, I am at Disney Springs. I'm currently in one of the shops there. Got a new pair of ears. Thanks to my boyfriend. And I am just shopping around. It's really fun. World of Disney had a 45-minute wait, so I decided to just go into the other stores, and I've been able to find everything I was looking for anyway. So just a heads up, if you're going to Disney, make sure if you're going the world of Disney, you make a reservation. Hello. Bye-bye. I love TikTok. I hope this works. Yeah.
You're putting up with me and the ogres.
Me? No, never. Wow! This game.
That would be fun.
After you. Here we go. As if it Hello, this is the first video I actually have recorded of myself. I've had some other things, but I'm in the Magic Kingdom. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try and show you as much as I can. I've been getting some recordings of the rides and stuff, but I have not got much of me talking, but I don't really think you want to see me talking. I don't know, but all right, I gotta go. Bye. She waved at me.
It's Jose.
Jose! He waved at me. Hi, Buzz. I'll say hi.
Remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the orbit of the watch.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Hey there, you bilge rat.
Hello, we just got off Pirates of the Caribbean. taking a little break. We're gonna go get lunch at Pecos Bill's Cafe because I actually used to work there and I miss the food a lot. So I'm just sitting here right now. We're gonna go in a second, but after that we're gonna get a Dole Whip in Adventureland, and have not decided which Dole Whip I want yet. But we've been having a good time. We're eating a bunch and going on a bunch of rides, and I'll insert clips if I have them and things like that. But I will see you soon.
So sad, so true. They come flooding to my home, these little touch breeze, and
Definitely gonna lose this, but it's okay. I'll show you the scores at the end. Because it's not gonna be good. Let's see who wins. We have proof right here that we're starting. No fair, I swear. Game's rigged. He won. No, you won.
What?
Good quality videotaping.
Did you really take a video and it was going on?
Yeah.
Hello.
keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
I don't know if I'm in this stuff.
Please watch your children.
Watch me. I'm your child. Hello. Just got off It's a Small World. I have a minute, so I thought I would just reflect on the day. It's been really fun, and I've got to do so much, and it's been really nice to be back. I got to visit some coworkers at Pecos Bill, and it was just surreal to be back here, and I'm really grateful. And to anyone who wants to come back, just do it and be safe, because Disney's doing a great job at keeping everybody safe and everything. I'll check in again when I leave. See you guys.
Hi, how are you? Thank you.
Last ride of the night.
Stay off the river. Isn't that
And then Magic Kingdom will come to a close. Well, after I go to the confectionery. Alright, so that is my day in Magic Kingdom. It's been such a good day. I could not ask for a better day today. And got to end it by seeing the castle. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in Epcot.